Flows without you noticing represents the expertise and devotion of Horizon Energy over the past 36 years. The Horizon Energy generates is far more than a word number on a meter, as it is equivalent to zero pollution plus zero emission plus higher energy efficiency, and contributes to the new strategy of the government dual carbon. Kilowatt hour of electricity shows our relentless effort in research, reveals our commitment to innovation, displays our devotion to original aspirations, illustrates our dedication as a guardian, demonstrates our earnest attitude. Electricity marks beautiful beginnings. It extends the reach of dreams to an infinite distance, holds the promise of a better life, and opens the future to various new possibilities. Growing from a trickle to a flood, and to an entity that covers all. And transitioning from devising up-to-date core components to making everything a possible solution. Horizon Energy has been applying unique energy technologies to constantly improve the space in which humans live, and provides us with unprecedented ways of life. It's been importing state-of-the-art processes and technologies to help with our energy efficiency. It's been offering environmentally friendly and low-carbon integrated services to help China meet the dual carbon target. It's been providing smart energy solutions to make every investment count. It's been managing operations and maintenance of solar power plants. It's like a doctor healing one wound after another for a city, rekindling the light of hope for the city. It stores all the clean energy it has gained from the nature. It has presented solutions created by China and led by China. It has put forward more efficient and effective solutions with the latest innovative AI technologies. It is compliant with the strict control standard with sophisticated equipment systems. It has investments, developments, and construction of power plants across the globe. It has been among the top 500 global energy businesses for 10 consecutive years, and it has been one of the best performers in annual production capacity. The sun and the light are not what you see on the surface, as every ray of light shines with energy that you can't see. Horizon Energy has been an unwavering spirit in serving the people. A transformation is changing the world with explosive power. And helping mankind achieve their ultimate ideal of the human society. It's time to feel the power of science with technology. In this glittering city, light went faster than our footsteps. While we are ahead of our dreams, to create value for our customers and embrace a future with every kilowatt hour of electricity in play. Horizon Energy.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Liam Chong. This is my pleasure to have opportunities to introduce Horizon Energy to you. Our mission is to continuously improving the energy palette and technological innovation and the quality of human life. As a world-leading new energy enterprise, Horizon Energy is driving global energy innovation with solar modules and photovoltaic power plants, providing sustainable energy solutions and integrated services across the globe. Horizon Energy is helping the customer reach their low carbon and zero carbon goals. Horizon Energy will do their part to support the global community in entering a new era of carbon neutrality. I guarantee Horizon Energy only provide A-grade PV modules to Pakistan, which as same as we are selling to the Europe and the rest of other countries. Thank you very much.
शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।